guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa aming channel. New day, new learning. For today's video, let's talk about So let's talk about parts of the body in Portuguese. So the first one is hair. Hair in Portuguese is cabelo. Nose, nariz, eyes, olhos, cheeks, bochechas, lips, labios, teeth, dentes, forehead, testa. Ear or ears, orelha. Next one is neck, pescoço, shoulder, ombro, arm, braço, hand, mão, fingers, dedo. That's all for today's guys. If you want to learn more Portuguese, keep on watching. Bye!